Building and leading high-performing IT teams is something that every executive seeks, and that starts with surrounding yourself with the right talent. I like to take the three-point approach when it comes to building the high-performing teams. First is hire for strength instead of lack of weakness, because a lot of times we interview candidates and we'll look at the different weaknesses that we're able to spot on and what are the ones that we can tolerate. And instead, it's important to focus on the strengths that are lacking on your team. And for that, it's important to do the initial analysis. What are the critical strengths that you require in order for your team to be successful? What are the current strengths that are present on your current teams? And go from there. Number two is develop a standardized process when it comes to interviewing, onboarding, and selecting the candidates. At the end of the day, it's a full-time project, because you have to allocate time not only to prepare for the interviews, facilitate them right, and make sure that experience for the candidate is immaculate. Because at the end of the day, the candidates are also interviewing you. They're interviewing you as an organization, you as a leader, and they are also assessing whether they want to join and be part of such team. And number three is create a culture of innovation on the team. I like a quote that my longtime, one of my previous bosses has always mentioned, is ask for forgiveness than for permission. And it's something that as an executive, it's important to foster such culture within, whether that's a small team or the entire organization that you're leading. And make sure that every team member on your team actually acts as a mini CEO. They're responsible for their areas. They're responsible for developing their strategy and really creating that sense of accountability by exhibiting some of the traits that you as a leader, exhibit on your day-to-day basis, whether you're dealing with one of the lowest level employees or you actually talking to one of your peers. I think that's one of the critical steps for you as an executive to build and lead high-performing IT teams.